read, sir?
Yes, please.
Yes, sir. The button for Canadian Telecom Services. What is Canadian Telecom Service?
Fine.
We are the telecom company. We can provide the services anywhere in Canada, best prices.
Fine. So when when some customers ask you what is Canadian Telecom Service or what is Canadian Telecommunication Service, tell them we are the telecommunication company where we can provide the services anywhere in Canada. Not all the service providers can give the service in all the places. They have limitations. Okay. In some remote area and all, some service providers they cannot provide service. But Canadian Telecom Service, we can hire the details. Sorry, we can hire the companies and we can give the service to any customer anywhere in Canada. Okay, but we are going to dial only for Ontario. Okay, fine. So this is the answer, but you can explain this to the customer in your own language also. Okay, you got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So read the next one, please.
Don't you know that I know which service you are using right now? But since I am calling from Direct Promotional Department, I just want to confirm it from your side. Okay?
Yes. You are telling the customer. Sorry. The customer is telling you. Don't you know that you are asking the customer? Guys, everyone, listen this. Only if you are concentrating, you can understand this. Okay. It is not like question answer. Okay. Rebuttals are not like question answer. It will be connected to the some other. It will be connected to some other point, and you will be asked with some other question. Okay. And you have to answer which is related to the connected point. Okay, it is confusing, right? So kindly concentrate, only then you can understand this. Okay. Don't you know that when the customer is asking this question, that is what important is. You are asking the customer, may I know who is your current service provider? You are asking the customer, may I know who is your current service provider? Okay. Customer is telling you, don't you know that? Okay. That means the customer is telling you are calling from telecommunication department company. Okay. Then you should know this information, right? Why are you asking me? This is what the meaning hidden in this. Just don't you know that? You got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So you are replying, I know. You can tell them, yes, I know which service you are using right now, but since I'm calling from the short direct promotional department, instead of this, you will be telling Canadian Telecom Service promotional department. I just want to confirm it from your side, okay? We just want to confirm it from their side. Only then we can process to the next level. Okay, but we don't know the information since we are calling from the promotional department. Only the customer care will be having the customer's current service provider name. Okay. Promotional department will not be having that information. Okay. Because it is illegal to share the customer's personal information. Okay. All kind of service will be done and they know the things, but it will not be uploaded on the data. Okay, that is illegal. Okay. For example, if I am collecting your Aadhaar card information, other kind of information, you are believing me and you are giving it to me. Okay. Okay, I have chosen some 5 guys for some good things. Okay, but I should not share those documents to any people, right? So in this way, customer's information is very confidential, so it should not be shared. But that is the reason the customer is also telling you, don't you know that? So I have a doubt on you. Why are you asking me? Don't you know what service I'm using? Without that information, why are you calling me? These kind of questions are hidden in this. Just don't you know that? Okay. Okay.
Yes,
Guys from the last row, you can hear me, right?
yes, sir.
Fine, good, fine then. Okay. So you are telling the customer, since we are calling from the promotional department, we just want to confirm it from your side. That is what you are going to tell to the customer. Okay. And again, for this sentence also, you should know the concept. You shouldn't miss any of this point. If you want, you can frame your own sentence. But it is always good to use this sentence or any better sentence. Better than this, that is allowed. Okay, fine. Read the third one, please.
Why do you want to know?
Yes. Why do you want to know about that? Customer is asking you, what is the reason you are asking this? What is the reason behind this question? Why are you asking who is my current service provider? Okay, this is what the question customer is asking. Yeah, read the answer now.
Have different offers for different service provider. So could you please confirm who is your service provider so that I can allocate a better offer for you? Is it okay?
Yeah. So I use this dialogue on calls. I believe that okay, this is working fine because customer was convinced and they gave the information to me. Once I suddenly used this dialogue before so many years. Okay. So I made it as a dialogue. If you feel you have something better than this to convince the customer, always you can use the alternate rebuttal. But the thing is like customer has to give that information. Okay. So it should be convinced. Information whether they are giving it or not, that is based on their mindset. But it should be convincing to the customer. Okay. I am not going to tell you you have to speak this dialogue for sure. But it is a good dialogue. If you have something better than this, definitely use that one. Okay. It is always allowed. Okay. Fine. We have different offers for different service providers. That means the customer is using Bell Canada. That means we will be having different pricing and package. If the customer is using Rogers, we will be having different pricing and package. That is what we are telling to the customer. But that is not the fact actually. Okay. Just to convince the customer, you are telling, oh, only if we are telling who is our current service provider, they can allocate the proper offer which suits us. In this way, they will be thinking and they will give us the proper answer for our question. That is who is your current service provider. That for that one, you got it right.
Yes, sir.
You can understand right this point.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Okay. Who don't understand this point? Raise your hands, please. Who understood this point?
I got it.
Raise your hands, please. Guys, do you know English? You know, right? Okay. Fine. Down. Okay. Because some people it is they are having low RAM capacity. I guess it is taking some time for processing. Okay. Fine. Okay. Let us move on to the fourth point. Yeah. Yes. Read it. Anyone.
Well, I have a better offer with my old service. Why do you want me to change it?
Fine. So already the customer is telling you, Akshay knows this. In semi-wise process also we have a dialogue for this. Okay. A better offer. That is a prompt actually. Okay. In the similar way, the customer is saying, I have a very good offer with my current service provider. Why should I switch to your service? This is the proper question the customer is asking. We should tell them some valuable point, right? Yeah. Read the answer now.
That's fine. Here we have a better offer with a short direct too. So could you please spend 2 minutes of your valuable time? This will definitely save your hard-earned money. Okay?
Yeah, instead of short direct, we will be using the common name as Canadian Telecom Service. Okay. For Uma Telo or CEK Internet, whatever, you will be using the common name because you are going to make a bundle sale. Okay. Usually, customer will be interested to take all the three services. So you can speak with Canadian Telecom Service. Otherwise, if you are speaking as short direct, you have to sell short direct home phone and short direct internet. They won't allow us to sell Uma. They will be asking you to give me short direct. I want to be in the same company. Likewise, they might ask you. Okay. So don't tell the individual company names unless otherwise if the customer is asking, I need the specific name. Then you can just disclose this. Okay. So the television is from short direct. Okay. So that you will be getting with the low price, with more channels, with high definition personal video recorder. Like this, you can just inform them. Okay. Fine. Here we are telling that's fine. Here we have a better offer with us too. That is with us too or with Canadian Telecom Service too. So could you please spend 2 minutes of your valuable time? You're just again asking the time with them. Okay, already they have said they have a good offer. Why should they speak with you? At least you can tell them, you can get them 2 minutes of time and you are informing them. Okay. You don't need to tell them I have I'm going to sell you something and all. You're just telling them this call will save your hard-earned money. Okay. at least 50% it will work out. Okay, because not all customers are going to say, okay, oh, you're going to save my money, okay, let me see. In this way also some people will speak, don't bother about them. Okay, people who are allowing you to speak, just try to impress them. Okay, here you can start the call in this way. It is just $14 for our, sorry, it is just $44.99, whatever the pricing is. Okay, for the television package, and you'll be getting one high definition personal video recorder for free. You will not be under any contract with this. Installation is also free. There are lot many offers involved in this. Okay, because you have asked only 2 minutes of time. Okay, in that you have to tell them installation is free. Free personal video recorder is there. Okay, so you can watch 300 hours of recorded program. You can record 300 hours in high definition channel. High definition channels can be recorded. Like this, you can inform some more offers in a short time. Okay, then they'll be attracted a little, right? Use that time to proceed further, like a normal call. Again, start like so. As I said before, from the explanation of the explaining the promotion, you can start with this. Okay. From the sixth point we are having, sixth or fifth point we'll be having, right? From then we can have those things. Guys, I have asked you to send 2 things yesterday itself. One is a Word document, the other one is PowerPoint, but I don't see any of the document here.
Sir, we have shared it to Bhushan sir.
Sorry?
We have shared it to Bhushan sir.
Bhushan sir means to his ID. Okay, end of the session, forward that session, only then I will be having enough time to review it, and I can just add up some point from my side, or otherwise I can edit it in a proper way and I can send it to you. I need much more time. I know it is matter of 1 hour or 2 hours for you. Okay, but I cannot engage completely on a single work. Okay, so I need days time. Okay, so already you have delayed 1 day time. Okay, at least we would have discussed that thing now. Okay, at least after the session you can just send it. Kindly remember it to Bhushan, he will send it to me. Okay.
Yes,
Fine, guys. Now, let us move on to the next point, 5th point in rebuttals, 5th point.
Don't you know that? You must know it, right?
Yeah, this is very important, guys. This is very, very important. Okay. They are giving you a hint that they are also using the same service provider. For example, you are speaking like I am calling from Shaw Direct. Okay. In that case, it will arise. If you are dialing for a single service at that time, you are speaking like I am calling from Shaw Direct, and you are asking who is your current service provider. They are telling you, don't you know that you must know it, right? That means, okay, there are 2 chances. One is they might be using Shaw Direct or some other service also. Okay, the 60% chances of using the same service provider, whatever you have said. But this situation will not arise when you are using the word Canadian Telecom Service. Okay, but if you are using the company name, that time when you are asking who is your current service provider, when the customer is asking you, you must know it, right? That means I know you are using Shaw Direct. You can directly tell them so that they will believe you. I know you are using Shaw Direct. Since I am calling from Shaw Direct promotional department, I just want to confirm it from your side. Okay, there will be 2 answers. When the customer is saying yes, I am using Shaw Direct, you can proceed the call to the next level. Either no, I am not using Shaw Direct. How can you tell that I am using Shaw Direct? At that time, no, I said like I am calling from Shaw Direct promotional department. I just want to confirm it from your side. Can you tell who is your current service provider so that I can allocate a better offer for you? Because we have different offers for different service providers. I have mingled the 2 dialogues. Okay, in the same thing. You should have capability of speaking in this way. Okay, only then you can make sales. Okay, this is very important. I said right, this is very important point. At this point of time, you should have freshers or experience. For customer, you are not fresher, you are not experienced. Okay, so I can treat you like a fresher or experienced. I can make you, I can give you more points. I can guide you if you are freshers, or if it is experienced, that is different. Okay, but for customer, you are not freshers or experienced. They don't bother. Okay, they should be handled in a tactical way where they should be getting, they should get convinced and they have to answer you. Okay. So there we have to play a little bit of tactics here, only then it will work out at this point of time. Okay, only for this point I am telling. Other things you can handle. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, guys, I have a doubt. Like, are you just listening for what I'm speaking, or otherwise you are understanding the points whatever I'm telling? Okay, in that hope only I'm just continuing the sessions. Okay, fine. Okay. So next point, sixth point. Sixth point I'm going to explain later because I need all people in group to sit together. Okay, without the tables and all. I need all the people near to me because we will be having a case study on this. Okay. Okay, well, like some 3-4 case studies will be there for this contract related in voice process alone. Okay, fine. Remember this, you guys. It is your duty, guys, to remember this to me. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. The next one is seventh point. Okay. Seventh point A, B, C. Okay. Let us discuss the seventh point also later when we are doing with contract and because I need all the people to sit in a group. I need all the people very near to the camera so that we are going to conduct the case studies on these two things. Okay. We can have a real mock call session for those case studies. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next one is eighth point. You can read that one. Yeah.
Where is your store?
Yeah, where is your store? You know, if you are telling where is the store, if you are telling the address directly, they will walk to the store, or otherwise they will contact the store and they will get the service for them. Okay. What is the benefit for us? We are dialing for them. We should get benefits, right? So we have to make sales. So don't tell the store address to them. Okay. Tell them my billing team will help you with the comfortable. You know, you are using the word comfortable store. Just don't tell. You know, some people what they do is they will be leaving this comfortable. They will be telling my billing team will help you for that. Okay, simply they will say that. You know, if you think if you are telling something, immediately they have to. Do you think they have to accept? They won't accept you. Okay, they won't accept the point whatever you tell. You have to tell the point that has to be acceptable for the customer. Okay, that should convince them. That means by comfortable. That means okay, the only billing team can help, which is comfortable for us. Otherwise, you know, that might be far away from their place. Okay, maybe that service is not available in some small store. Okay, so that is the reason we are telling in this way. So we are telling them indirectly. We are telling them my billing team will help you with a comfortable short reach store for you. We are going to tell Canadian Telecom Service. You don't need to mention Canadian Telecom Service or short direct or company name. You can tell them my billing team will help you with a comfortable store for you. Okay, in this way. Even then, if the customer is asking you, you can tell them our head office is at Ridgeway Drive. That did Akshay gave you the address? Sorry? No, Akshay, like I'm asking, like you gave the address to everyone, right? Hello? Sorry, what they are telling?
No, sir.
No, address was not given. Okay, go. Actually, you just go to the computer. Okay, open it, and you know what is the ID, right? Like to open that semi-voice prompt. Okay, do it right now. Hello guys. Yeah guys, it was interrupting actually. Now it is connected. Okay. So Akshay, you are still there. You can go to the computer and you can. You have it right in mobile. Very good, smart guy. Fine. Play that prompt and ask guys to note it down right now. Yeah, You can stop and you can tell them. And yes, everyone has noted it down, right? If someone is not noting it down after this session, kindly get it from Akshay, okay? Thank you, Akshay. Fine. Guys, whatever I do it in the previous session, kindly follow that, okay? Otherwise, when the customer is asking you this question, you will be getting stammered, and if you are not answering, that sale is gone, okay? It is the loss for you guys, okay? It is loss for you guys, not for me, okay? However, it is time loss for me, but don't lose a sale, okay? You can lose the sale because of the customer's situation, but you should not be like this, okay? That is what you have to concentrate. Hereafter, don't miss any information, okay? Fine. It is your duty, in the last session or in the previous session, I would have said you, okay, so you should ask Akshay, so what is the address for that? He said right. So you kindly provide us. Like this, you guys only, out of your interest only, you have to ask him, okay? Fine. So it is a matter of 2 minutes. He has done it he never went to the computer also. When in his mobile he is having. Why don't, like 10 guys are there, more than 10 guys are there, why don't you ask these things? Okay, who is managing you? Are they listening your this conversation? Is there any team leader who is listening to this conversation? No one is there to monitor you? Sorry?
He just gone outside.
Then why you guys are sitting? You can also go outside, right? Then who is responsible for this team? Do you have any team leader in your center? Why he is moving out? Sorry?
No, sir.
You want to move for restroom or?
No, sir. Actually, you are going to call.
No, just don't move out of the session, okay? Then there is no difference, Fine, I said if it is nature's call, you can move without asking. Okay, let us continue the session. Okay, let us not waste the time. Inform them, ask someone to be present for the complete session. Okay, I am leaving all my work and I am just doing this for you. Okay, I am spending my time for you guys. Okay, why should I do this? To make you to go for live in a proper way, right? When I have care on you guys, why your center is not having care on you? Okay, whatever the work is, okay, ask them to be inside the center. Only if they are knowing these things, they can ask you. They can ask a question with you. Okay, how can I believe? If you are telling, for example, let me take Akshay as example. Okay, Akshay is telling, okay, he did not teach us. Okay, Akshay, I am just taking as you a friendly example. Okay, Akshay is telling, no, he never taught these things to us. Okay, I will show the recording. Okay, but if they are inside, you cannot say that answer, right? Akshay, I am taking you just for a friendly example since I know you already. Okay, fine. So suggest your management. I was thinking everyone will be sitting behind the laptop. Okay. Suggest them to be present all the time. Not even a single minute should be missed. Okay.
Yes, sir, he came.
He came now. Tell them after the session. Ask them to sit with you guys to share all the points. Where not sitting in means he can hear the speaker sound. That is enough. They don't need to be in front of the camera. They can just hear alone. Okay. Only then they can guide you, because you know 100% information. Okay. If they don't know, if they know 80% of information, it is difficult for them to guide you. That becomes a very difficult task. Okay, they don't know which point is right or which point is wrong. Okay, for example, if you guys are speaking a wrong point, they cannot correct you, right? So that is what the issue will come. What they will do again, they will again Bhushan or yeah, someone will call me. I will tell them I have already updated. Why don't you see the video? Why don't your employees are not listening? Why they are not making a note of it? What they were doing at the time of training? This will be the question from my side. Okay. Okay, so I guess like you guys are listening perfectly, so that is the hope I have. Okay. Fine. Let us move on to the next point now. Send me your promotion through email. Okay, read the 9th point now. Brother, you can move little because I could not see 3 people. Yeah. Thank you, thank you.
Send me your promotion through email.
Louder, please. Louder, please.
Send me your email promotion through, sorry. Send me your promotion through email. We have stopped sending emails because the promotion keeps on changing day by day. So I can explain the promotion clearly. You can take a note of it. Okay?
Yeah, you can take a note of it or you can make a note of it. Okay, you can tell in any ways. Like customers will ask you email promotion only if you guys are not, guys listen here, why if someone is moving that way, who is that who read the point now? What is the name who read the point now?
Prasanna, sir.
Prasanna, why are you looking at him when he is moving and you are just, your eyes are just moving, you are tracking him? Then how can you listen to my voice? Then how can you implement this on call? Just see the script. That is why Bhushan has given you the printouts, right? You can look into the dialogue and you can concentrate on my voice. Okay.
Yes, sir. Please.
Yeah. Fine, guys. So now we have stopped sending emails because the promotion keeps on changing day by day. So I can explain the promotion clearly. You can take a note of it. Okay. That means we are going to explain the promotion clearly. Okay. So that they can make a note of it. So they don't need to get any email. Okay. We are just trying to convince. But my point is, they should not ask this question to you. Okay. When they won't ask this question to you, when you are explaining all the promotions very clearly, they won't ask you to send the email. Okay. Only when you are messing up, when you are confusing the customer, they are asking you to send the email. Okay. Otherwise, they won't ask these they won't be thinking about email and all. Okay. They want to take the package, but they want to see it in front of their eyes. Okay. Through the mail. Okay. So when you are clear enough, you can avoid this rebuttals. They won't ask these kind of questions. Okay. So how good you are speaking the script is important to avoid the rebuttals. Okay. It is always not good to speak the rebuttals. It is always to avoid the rebuttals by speaking the script in a proper way where the customer will get a clear idea on the price and package. You got it right? This is how a telecaller should work. Okay, you have one guy he knows all the points and the rebuttals. Whatever the point that is asked in the rebuttals, he will speak. That is not the good thing. The customer should not ask any rebuttal. In that way, we have to use the script. Okay, that is what the good telecaller's quality to interact with the customer. Okay, let us move on to the next point. Give me your number. I will call you later. Give me your number. I will call you later. That means they are asking for a callback number. Okay, we are not attending inbound calls. If we are attending inbound calls also, what we will do? We will be getting the calls back. Okay, in the same dialer, you will be getting the calls back. Any one of you guys or 5 of you guys. For example, if 100 people are dialing in the center, okay, there will be an inbound number also. Customer might not be attending the call, or they might be calling back after hearing the promotion, maybe the next day or the same day, they might be calling you back. So it will ring and one guy will attend and 1 or 5 guys, 10 guys, any number of guys, based on the number of calls, they will attend the call and they will speak with the customer. Definitely that will end up in sale because the customer is interested and they are calling us back, right? Yeah, but that is with the big team we can do that. Maybe in future you guys also can handle those kind of things. Okay. And now the point is, with a small team we cannot have inbound things and all, right? So we are going to tell the customer a reason. Okay. because all you guys will be handling outbound calls. Suddenly, if inbound calls, you cannot lose the existing customer, right? You are speaking with some customer, you cannot hang up that call, right? So you cannot attend that call. So you are telling the customer yes. You should not say directly no. So that is the reason we are telling yes. I will provide you, but sometimes you may get a busy tone. So please provide me your convenient time so that I can call you by that time. Okay. That means we are getting the convenient time from them. We are asking the convenient time from them, and we can call them by that time. Okay. And we are telling the reason also. You may get a busy tone. Okay. Even then, if the customer is asking, tell them. Okay. This is the basic dialogue. If you want to move for the next level, advanced thing is, this is the dialogue I speak. Okay. Like I will tell you what is the dialogue I spoke on call. Usually I will tell the customer when they say, give me your number, I will call you back. Okay. I will be keep on calling to the customers to give this wonderful promotional offer throughout the day. If you are calling me, you will get the busy tone. Okay. So that is the reason I am asking you the convenient time of yours, and I can call you by that time. Okay.